Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to export long video in CapCut PC. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, here is a video which is 8 minutes long. Okay, so this video I want to export, so let's just show you real quick how you can do the export work in a quick base. Okay, so first of all, let's just export. Tap on the export, and here you can see here are lots of options right over here. So I will show you the best settings to export your video which takes less time for you to export. Okay, so first of all, for the resolution, just go with the 1080p, or you can go with the 2K as well, but I will go with the 1080p. It works well, looks well, and that's it. If you want to make a clear statement that you want higher resolution and you have higher graphics card, so you can select the higher version, but if you select the recommended one, it will take less time to export your video. Okay, so I will go with the recommended and it works pretty well. And for the codec, you need to select this one, and format is MP4 as always. And if your frame rate is 60 fps, it will take much more time than to export the video. So I should say you should go with the 30 fps if you want a really quick render time. Okay, so that's it. Then just go with the export and you will be done. So that's how you can easily export long video in CapCut PC. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.